Hello, and welcome to this beginner's guide to meditation. If you're new to the practice of meditation, you may be wondering what it is and how to get started. Well, you're in luck. Today, I'll be sharing some tips on how to meditate for beginners. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and is often associated with spirituality and mindfulness. It involves training your mind to focus on the present moment and letting go of distractions. The first step to meditating is finding a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. You can meditate in a variety of positions, including sitting cross-legged, lying down, or even standing up. The important thing is to find a position that feels comfortable for you. Once you're comfortable, the next step is to focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe, try to focus your attention on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. You may find that your mind wanders and thoughts pop up while you're meditating. That's okay. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Don't judge yourself or get frustrated if your mind wanders. It's a natural part of the process. When you're first starting out, it's a good idea to meditate for just a few minutes at a time. You can gradually increase the length of your meditation sessions as you become more comfortable with the practice. There are many different types of meditation, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Some people prefer guided meditations, where an instructor leads them through the practice, while others may prefer silent meditation. Finally, it's important to remember that meditation is a practice. Like any other skill, it takes time and effort to develop. Don't get discouraged if you don't notice immediate results. Stick with it, and you'll find that regular meditation can have many benefits, including reduced stress, improved focus, and a greater sense of inner peace. That's all for today's beginner's guide to meditation. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're inspired to start your own meditation practice. Remember, all it takes is a few minutes a day to start reaping the benefits of meditation. Thanks for watching, and happy meditating!